Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 15. Kids, first we use the color of red and now we draw 1. O-N-E, 1. Kids, the next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. We again use red color and now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. We again use red color and now we draw the number of 5. Kids, now we draw the number of 6. S-I-X, 6. The next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. And then now we draw 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now we draw the number of 9. Kids, now we use the color of yellow. Yellow color, yellow color. The number of 9. And the next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Yellow color. Now we draw the number of 11. And the next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now we draw the number of 13. Kids, the next one is 14. We again use yellow color and now we draw 14. The last one is 15. Kid, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.